In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a message on your WhatsApp chat on iPhone or Android. Pinning a message is perfect when you want key information to stay easy to find. Think meeting details, an address, a to-do list, or an important link. Instead of scrolling back through a long conversation, you can keep that message highlighted at the top of the chat for a set amount of time. So it's always right where you need it. First, open WhatsApp and navigate to the specific chat where the message lives. This can be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. The process is the same. Make sure you are inside the right conversation before continuing, since the pin applies to that chat only. Next, find the exact message you want to pin. It can be text, a link, a photo, or even a voice note, whatever you need to keep handy. Press and hold on that message. On most devices, you'll feel a slight haptic response or see the message get highlighted, and a toolbar or menu will appear with additional actions. Now, if you are on Android, look toward the top right of the screen for the vertical 3 dots labeled More Options and tap it. If you are on iPhone, tap More. From the menu that appears, select Pin. You will be prompted to choose how long you want this message to stay pinned. WhatsApp gives you 3 choices: 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. Pick the duration that matches how long the message will be relevant. For example, choose 24 hours for something short-lived, a week for upcoming plans, or 30 days for longer-running reminders. After you select the duration, tap Pin again to confirm. That's it, the message is now pinned. You will notice a small visual indicator in the chat showing that a message has been pinned, typically near the top area of the conversation. This makes the information quick to spot whenever you open that chat. If you are in a group chat, other participants can usually see that a message has been pinned as well, which is handy for keeping everyone aligned. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. The pinned message will automatically unpin after the duration you chose, so you don't have to remember to remove it. If the same information continues to matter, you can repeat the same steps to pin it again for another period. And if your app looks slightly different, don't worry, labels like More Options or More can vary a bit depending on your device and app version. But the flow is the same. Press and hold the message. Open the menu, select Pin, choose a duration, and confirm. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.